Let's solve this advanced SAT question on irrational numbers. We are asked to simplify 4 over 3 in square root 300 over 4 plus 10 root 3. I'm going to simplify this first term. So I have 4 over 3, then in square root 300 over 4. So from what I have here, this will be 4 over 3. Sorry for that. This will be 4 over 3, and then the square root of 300 is 10 root 3 over the square root of 4 here, which is 2. Then I'm going to simplify. 2 here will go 1, and 2 here is 2. So I'm left with 2 over 3 in bracket 10 root 3 over 1. Therefore, the first term has given me the answer 20 root 3 over 3. So to know more about this, how to change irrational numbers to its simplest form, you can check the video we have on the channel on simplifying surds or irrational numbers. Now I'm done with the first term. Let me work on the second term. The second term gave us 10 over root 3. So I'm going to rationalize this by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by root 3. So this will give me 10 root 3 over 3. So doing the general simplification, 20 root 3 over 3 plus 10 root 3 over 3. So because this have the same denominator, is going to be really simple for us. This will give us 30 root 3 over 3. Dividing, because 30 and 3 here have something in common. Here would give me 1 and 10. And therefore, this will leave my final answer to be 10 root 3. So I'm going to come down root